This brand is made in China and is sold inline in the USA and Canada. The DAC line offers cooling-only units that use environmentally friendly R32 refrigerant and inverter compressors for quiet efficient operation. They are Wi-Fi enabled so they can be controlled by your smartphone and have sleep and energy saver modes. They have a 3-speed fan and a temperature sensing remote control for enhanced comfort. The DVAC model is for casement window installation, use less friendly R410A refrigerant, and have a lower 10.4 ER efficiency rating. The range also includes U-shaped models that allow the window to be closed and the compressor section outside for enhanced noise control. They have a sound level rating that is between a whisper and light rain and have a very good 15 ER efficiency. The DTAC models, for through-the-wall installation, have a lower efficiency at 10.6 ER and use less environmentally friendly R410A. The brand does not offer units with electric heat or heat pump models.